Want to know how to double your car count and do it all without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising? Well, buckle up because we're starting right now. I'm going to show you everything you need. Hey, I'm Matthew. Did you know that according to U.S. Census and Bureau of Labor Statistics, 12,336 independent auto repair shops are expected to fail this year? Look, these shop owners that failed weren't bad people. It's not that they didn't know what they were doing. It's not that they weren't hardworking and eager to start their own business. When asked, the number one reason those auto repair shops failed was they couldn't get enough car count. Look, today's market is really cluttered. We see over 3,300 messages a day, and it's not just from new car dealers, big box repair shops, national chains, or even the mobile repair guys. If you're an independent auto repair shop, you can't afford to waste your hard-earned dollars on things that don't work. Look, I hear this virtually every day from shop owners. Where do I start? Is it Facebook ads? Is it AdSense? Do I really need a website? What do I put on my website? The questions go on and on. What about advertising specialties? What about doing things like pizza box ads? The list is never ending. Look, I understand how confusing it is, but it's not your fault. It's for that reason I put together this brand new training course. Never revealed this information before. How to double your car count in 89 days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on money-sucking advertising that just doesn't work. Who's this training for? If you're a brand new repair shop just getting started, maybe you're an established shop and you've been in business for a couple of years, or maybe you're that seasoned pro and your marketing is sort of stalled and car count stalled and you just need to get back on track. If you don't know me, my name's Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. I'm the author of the Official Guide to Auto Service Marketing. I'm the creator of the Auto Repair Shop Owner's Unfair Advantage, and I'm your host here on YouTube at Car Count Hackers. For the last 20 years, I've been helping independent auto repair shops just like you grow their car count, income, and profit. And today, I work only with private clients who are part of my underground group of Car Count Hackers. And everything that I do with my private clients, I'm revealing on this free training course. And I said it was free, and I mean that. There's no credit card required. So what's this free training all about? Look, it's a 6-part video series. You get one video sent to you every day for 6 days. And what are you going to learn? When you get through this training course, you're going to know exactly where to start. You're going to know how to market your repair shop regardless of what market you're in. I don't care whether you have to compete with new car dealers, big box stores, national chains, or even the mobile repair guys. You're going to know exactly where to get going and market your shop. I'm going to reveal the secrets of building trust with your customers quickly, and that leads to higher AROs. I'm going to show you simple strategies you can use immediately to start building relationships with your customers, and that will actually get them to refer you to friends, associates, and coworkers. Then there's that almost sneaky tactic that gets your customers to leave you 100% positive reviews all the time. The best part of this training is you get it all from the comfort of your own home or office. There's no having to travel hundreds or thousands of miles away to some wild boot camp where you get locked in a seminar room that you can't leave until you go through a high-pressure sales process while your shop is losing business, not to mention money. So how much would this training mean to you? Remember, I told you it's free. What if it only developed $5,000 a year in additional profits? What if you followed everything to the T and got $10,000, $15,000, or $20,000 a year? I'm talking an additional bottom line profit. What would that mean to you? Would that be a family vacation that you've been delaying for years and years? Would that mean buying a new vehicle? Would that be adding to the equipment in your shop? What is it that extra money would do for you? What if it was only that family vacation that your kids have been bugging you about for the last couple of years? Would that be worth 6 days of your time? Look, best of all, imagine never having to worry about the new competitor down the street, whether it's a new car dealer, big box repair store or a national chain. So what should you do right now? Go ahead and look in the description below this video and use the link to pre-register. I'm telling you now that all the videos have not been recorded and edited and posted and all that stuff. So we're going through the final steps of that. So you're going to pre-register and you're going to be the first to know. But the other thing you want to do is go ahead and be sure you're subscribed to Car Count Hackers, because that way you'll be the first to know every time I upload new information about how to grow your car count, income, and profits, and you'll know exactly when this course launches. I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Hacker, and I can't wait to see you on the first training. But register now, because it's not going to be free forever. Go ahead and get started. I'll see you on the other side.